Hi, my name is Nathan. I'm with Razor Tracking. Today we're going to be going over geofencing in the Razor Tracking platform. Now, a geofence is essentially a boundary or a parameter around a certain area. A lot of our customers will use geofencing around fields, shop locations, elevators. Here is how you set up a polygon geofence. For an example, I'm going to go to this field. I'm going to click on the left corner of it. You are able to drag that to the right corner of that field and drag it back down. You are able to really draw these out up to 100 points, meaning each of these corners is a point. Once that first geofence is created, you'll be able to see the square miles along with the acreage of that geofence. From there, you are able to add another geofence. For an example, I'm going to add this other square plot of this field. From there, you are able to draw the same geofence out that you did like the other. Once those geofences are created, you are able to create enter and exit alerts for them. When setting up these alerts, you'll want to go under Event Alerts under Management. From here, you'll be able to break down those alerts by vehicle or by vehicle group. I have it as tender trucks, so it'll be multiple vehicles entering and exiting this geofence. You are able to set those geofence alerts to be notified through the Razor Tracking platform along with using email. Another feature with geofencing is reporting. You'll be able to break it down by vehicle group, along with a certain time period of those activities in geofencing. The activities will include drive time, idle time, and transit distance. If you would like to learn about additional features or have any questions about geofencing, give us a call.